Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So I know a lot of you received this, which is $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $10, and it's valid on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Do not use this today because it's only valid during that window. Please pay attention to that rule. It is of a one-time use, and you pick wisely which deal you wish to do. And I believe it will stack with the paper and other digital boosters. And I'm going to try and do a crazy stack tomorrow. So if you want to wait for me, I will be showing something later tomorrow. And if you look on a desktop computer, the 15th to the 17th, that's how I'm getting the dates. So if you don't believe me, go on your laptop, desktop computer, and look into the information of the booster, and there it is. So these are always, your mileage may vary. Not every account gets them. Typically, the more that you shop, the more that you get these boosters. And the last time that I got one of these on my account was probably last fall, so it's been a while. So again, of a one-time use, you got to get to $10 before you start using your manufacturer coupons, but that's how it works. It is okay to use manufacturer coupons with this, and it stacks with paper and digital boosters. But for the balance, pay with your debit, credit card, or bills. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards, as this is a spend booster. Okay, guys, I also got this booster this morning, which is Wednesday the 14th. $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $25. Look at the dates. It's from the 18th to the 24th, so you really got to be on top of those dates. So this one's not even for this week. It's going to start on Sunday. But this is the only one, just load it, and we're going to be making deals with this one on Sunday. Okay, back to the subject at hand, booster deals. This first deal is a curbside only, because with the Tide products, spend 20 to earn back 5. That is curbside only. You can't do that in store. So hit the blue button, put all this stuff in your basket starting on Thursday, the 15th, and make this deal happen. So you need your best friend loaded, which is $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend 10. And we're going to be adding 2 of the Tide products to your basket. The first is the Tide Light. It's got to be this light one. And they are on a promotion for 2 for $20. Now, this is where it gets very interesting. We have $3 digitals for both the pods and the scent beads that are part of the light line. Second item we're going to grab are the Downy Light Scent Beads. So I guess I'm guessing it's like less perfumey. That's why it's called light. So very interesting take on a product. We also have this $3 digital that is attaching. So put the 2 laundry care items into your basket. Do this as a curbside pickup, and we are looking at a balance of 20. Curbside pickup is free, a bit of tax, $6 in digitals melting off. You have your booster loaded of spend 10, earn 10. So you're going to pay with your debit card 15, 20 out of pocket. Get back $5 for the P&G promotion, plus an extra 10 for spend 10, earn 10. So do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. You're getting back $15. Obviously, I can't show you the 15 today because I'm doing this on a Wednesday and the promotions all start on a Thursday. But yeah, it makes this completely for free for a massive Tide Pod and a nice thing of scent beads. Like, what a terrific deal. Okay, the next deal that we have, the rest are all in stores. So this one, for whatever reason, you can only grab these 4-packs in store. You can't order them online anymore. I guess people were ordering way too many, but they're $1.99 this week, so that is really fantastic. So we're going to be grabbing 5 of them for $1.99. And if you wish to mix and match the different, there's a soft one and an ultra strong one. I think it's exceptionally comparable to Charmin. Just my humble opinion, probably made in the same factory, but we're grabbing 5 of them for $9.95. Now we're a bit short from hitting our $10 mark, so at checkout we're going to grab a cheap little candy or whatever you want in the store, just something to grab that extra 5 cents. Have your best friend loaded, which is 10 back when you spend 10. I love this booster. I wish they gave it to us a lot more. So 5 of those is $9.95. We have our candy for 33 cents. Have your booster loaded. Your subtotal is $10.28. You're going to pay that with your debit card. Get back $10 in Walgreens cash. So 28 cents for all this magic. Pretty smart deal. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, because this is a spend booster that you're using in concert with this deal. The next deal that we're looking at again is in store. So you need your best friend loaded, which is $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend 10. This is going to be called the shampoo deal. We're going to be grabbing 2 of these Dove shampoos, and they are on a BOGO 50% off. It's this week only too on this promotion, which is really weird. I thought it would be all week, but it's just this week. But BOGO 50% off. So 2 of them is $7 and some change. And then we need this digital loaded, which is a 4 off of 2. And who doesn't love a little bit of Dove shampoo? We're also going to grab 2 of the Garnier Fructis shampoos, 2 for $8. So 2 of these guys, I mean, how fantastic is that? The promotion with this week is when you buy 2, you get back a $4 register reward. So that's a little bit of something. And we also have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. So please make sure you have this one loaded for this little deal. Okay, guys, so this is a very easy one. 2 of the shampoos are $7.48, and then 2 of the Garnier Fructis is $8 for a grand total of $15.48. Have your booster loaded of 10 back when you spend 10, subtracting $7 in digitals, the 4 for Dove and the 3 for Garnier. You're paying $8.48 with your debit card and then getting back $10 in Walgreens cash for the booster and then a $4 register reward for Garnier, making this free plus a $5.52 money maker. Remember, do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance as you're using a spend booster. Okay, friends, the next deal again is in store. So we're going to be grabbing 5 of the Arm & Hammer detergents if you want to mix and match, but please make sure you grab at least 1 of the liquid detergents, and I'm sure you'll have a use for it. We're also going to load this digital coupon, which is $1 off. So if you still have it, let's throw it into the deal. We're going to be a little short to getting to $10, so we're going to throw in one of these candies found at checkout. Plus, you need your best friend loaded, which is 10 back when you spend 10. And let's not forget this is of a one-time use, so pick the deal you want to do wisely. Looking at your overall basket, guys, 5 of those is $9.95. We have a candy for 33 cents. Load your booster and your 1 digital coupon for $1 off an Arm & Hammer liquid. With your debit card, you're going to pay $9.28. Get back $10 in Walgreens cash, making this a big giant freebie. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance as you're using a spend booster in concert with this deal. That we're going to look at again, you can do this one in store or curbside. You need your 2 boosters loaded, which is 10 back when you spend 10, plus this goofy one if you did not use it of earn 10 when you spend 20 on Walgreens brand products. And it has to be like beauty care products. So if you remember on Sunday, I got $21 of dandruff shampoo. So that's what we're going to throw into this basket, and it's BOGO 50% off, so it makes it extra challenging as well. But I believe all of this good stuff in store was $21.96 for me. Have your 2 boosters loaded. So with my debit card, I pay $21.96, and then you get back $20 in Walgreens cash, 10 for the buy 10, save 10, and then 10 back for spending $20 on Walgreens brand beauty products. So it makes it $1.96 for the 4 products, which is super cheap. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, but what a tremendous deal. Let's not forget, guys, all the fun starts on Thursday the 15th. Have fun with this one, and I will have a video sometime tomorrow for you guys. I'm going to try to do some sort of crazy stack. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.